Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick tutorial video here. I was in the same boat as a lot of you. I see a lot of people asking about how to load custom streaming settings into the Blackmagic Web Presenter HD. I couldn't find anything online either. Blackmagic did kind of switch it up a little bit from the way they do with the Ada Mini Pro. This way is actually better. On the Ada Mini Pro, if you had noticed, you could load your streaming settings in on one computer. If you switched your Ada Mini Pro to a different computer, those streaming settings were gone. So they were saved in the computer at that point. So this new way that they're doing it is actually better because you're actually loading it into the web presenter. So you can change computers, but the streaming settings will always stay with the web presenter, which is definitely a nice feature, but there wasn't much information about how to do so. It seems straightforward, and for some advanced users, it definitely is straightforward. I definitely was not one of the more advanced users. I kind of had to just tinker around a little bit and try to figure it out. So the main thing that you got to do here is you just have to get some of this XLR code, or this XML file. I got this one from my Ada Mini Pro, from the coding that I did in the Ada Mini Pro to change and add my custom source for Vimeo. If you don't have this file or you don't have an Ada Mini Pro, I'll have a link in the description here to be able to download this XML file. You can use as a template. Once you do get it, this one straight out will work for Vimeo. It's all set up for this, so if that's the only one you need, download the file, load it in. I'll show you here in a second, and you're done. You're ready to go. If you do need to change it to something else, what you want to do is you want to grab right here from this RTMP all the way over through live. And this is what you'll want to replace. You'll want to get your streaming URL from whichever service you're trying to use. And once you get that, you can plug that in there. The other thing you'll want to do is just change the name up here. So just grab Vimeo. You can name it whatever you want, and you can put it into there. I could be wrong. I believe that these settings are pretty much the same for everything, but I believe there are other ones. I know, looking into some of them, like Facebook and YouTube, some of the bigger ones, they have a bunch of different servers and things like that that you can add in. So this one is mainly just for Vimeo. So you may need to change the actual server information. There may be more servers, basically, instead of just default. So that's how I have this one set in Vimeo. It's just the default server. But I'm not sure exactly what all. There might be some advanced users that may be able to tell us more about that in the comments. But with this one, like I said, that's all you really need to change. Once you do have that changed, or if you're just using Vimeo, all you want to do is save this file to your desktop. Once you save it, you'll go into the Web Presenter HD. Make sure you get that connected to your computer. Once you pull this up, you'll just go to Load Streaming Settings. Grab your Web Presenter HD stream, the XML file, hit OK, and then it's going to add it down here in the platform list. You notice the other ones are still here, even though in this streaming setting, the only one I have in this XML file is Vimeo. So when you do add ones in, it is just adding them. You're not replacing anything like it would have on the Ada Mini Pro, only having that one streaming setting there. So it is keeping the rest of them here. You see there's a little black bar here separating the custom ones from the regular ones. Once you have that in there, put your streaming key in, you can set your quality, and you're good to go. You can go ahead and hit on air and go live. But I hope you guys found this helpful. If you need any other help, you can message me in the group, or comment down below on the video here. But hopefully this helped.